QR codes. A QR code or quick response code is a code that is quickly readable by a cell phone, hence the word quick in the name. Using a combination of spacing as a type of matrix barcode, 2D barcode. When a QR code is scanned, it conveys a wide multitude of information. While QR codes and barcodes are similar in practice, QR codes contain more information because they have the ability to hold information both horizontally and vertically. Barcodes only use horizontal information, while barcodes work wonderfully for situations like scanning supermarket items. QR codes have a much higher capability of transferring information, likely what has made them increasingly popular due to their versatility. The first QR code system was invented in 1994 by Japanese company Denso Wave, a subsidiary of Toyota. They needed a way to accurately track vehicles and parts during manufacturing. In order to achieve this, they looked to develop a type of barcode that could encode kanji, kana, and alphanumeric characters. The modern day QR code consists of 7 parts. Each of these parts creates a pattern that looks similar to a crossword puzzle. Each element has a specific purpose that conveys certain information through the code, such as the print direction, timing, error tolerance, and empty spaces to differentiate the code from what surrounds it. Other types of QR codes. There are actually many types of both barcodes and QR codes in use of many reasons. Here are a few of the most popular versions. Micro QR codes. QR codes found even further uses through the development of micro QR codes, or codes that small enough to fit on smaller items so they don't take up space. However, they do have the limitations that they hold less information than regular QR codes. iQR codes. In contrast to the square shape of the typical QR code, iQR codes use a rectangular shape. iQR codes can hold both smaller and larger data amounts than traditional and micro QR codes due to this shape. Frame QR. Developed in 2014, Frame QR codes were developed to allow for more creativity to the look of QR codes. One of their most popular uses is QR codes for business cards. This could come in handy. Using the VCard Plus QR code on your business card means potential clients or employers can add your contact information to their mobile devices without typing it in. All they need to do is scan and save. QR codes on product packaging. Many people are familiar with codes on supermarket goods to be scanned for logistical usage, but now they can be used to offer further information for consumers. QR codes for healthcare. One way to ensure that medical staff is providing the best care possible is by offering patients to fill out feedback surveys. QR codes for personal use. Say you want to plan a large event. This process is often stressful and requires a lot of organization. You can simplify the process by sending invitees an event QR code with all the details of the event. Now let us see how to create a QR code on a business card. Go to QR code generator and select the type of QR code you had like on your business card. Enter all the details you had like to display. Select generate QR code. Now customize the design of your QR code by adding a frame and a Scan Me logo. Select download to receive QR code file. Steps for using Visa QR payments. Open your mobile banking app. Click on Visa QR payments. Scan the merchant QR code. Enter amount if prompt. Receive payment confirmation. Some reasons why your QR code is not working. Creating your QR code seems like a simple task without any problems, but we have seen many QR codes that can't be scanned or could be improved to work better. In the following, we will show common made mistakes that can be avoided to make your QR code works on wide range of devices. Do not invert QR code colors. We see this mistake a lot. QR codes with a black or dark background and a white or lighter foreground may look great in some design sceneries, but they can't be scanned. Will all QR code scanner apps? A lot of apps for scanning your QR code are expecting the code to have a darker contrast to the background. Give your QR code colors enough contrast. When choosing your colors other than white background and black foreground, make sure there is enough contrast. Don't create blurry QR codes. Give your QR code images enough resolution to make it look sharp on all screen and print formats. A blurry QR code can make it hard for QR code reader apps to detect the borders of the code and hard to scan. Don't put too much content into a QR code. If you put a lot of content in the code, you will end up in an ocean of pixels where the corners elements get really small. This can create problems for QR code readers to scan your code and make it even unreadable. Leave a border space around your QR code. Always leave a space between your QR code and the content or design around it. Today, QR codes are not limited to sharing information, but they can do much more. From promoting business products to mobile contactless payments, QR codes are making our life easier in a lot of ways.